Hello, my beautiful, lovely people. So, today's video is going to be a creation video of this large piece. If you remember last week, I made and shared the creation video of this one. And this is a smaller one. This is an 8x8. And I created it for my office. And it's been on its little nail on the wall, and I've loved having it there. So I just wanted to do something similar on a larger scale, and this is what I chose to do. So the same theme, the same kind of Mediterranean vibe, lots of olives, sardines, canned and tomatoes, lemons, just things that are notoriously Mediterranean, Italian kind of thing. I like the style of the art that comes from that region. So yeah, I was just inspired by that and wanted to do a couple of pieces. I do have an art show that's going to be in the near future. I don't know how near future. We're working out details, but I needed some pieces that were regular size that I could easily frame. So that was kind of the goal with this. And yeah, so this is the finished piece and I love it. And I'm going to share the creation video with you. The watercolors that I used were the Tanzai Gambi. I used both the Art Nouveau and the original set. They're great. They're a little more opaque than other watercolors, so that is something to keep in mind. But I made my lines with the ink heavy enough that it would stand up against that. So yeah, it came out very, very good. I'm very happy with it. And yeah, so we're gonna get to the creation video. I'm gonna throw in some music, and I hope you guys are staying healthy and safe wherever you are. It is Friday afternoon here in South Mississippi. We are supposed to get some really cold temperatures, possibility of light ice. Thankfully no snow in our forecast, but ice is bad for us too. So anyone impacted by those storms, I will say a little prayer for you and hope that all goes well in that time. Anyway, okay, yeah, so healthy, safe, and warm. And let's get into it.